Lastly, you might be wondering before we jump into any use cases, how can I actually get good results from Copilot in PowerPoint? First things first, be specific before you even start. Tell Copilot who your audience is, how long the presentation should be, and what template or style you want. The more details you give upfront, the better the result. And don't forget to mention what you don't want. If you don't need certain sections, just say exclude financial details or whatever doesn't fit. Now here's something really cool. Copilot can help with design too. If you need images, just ask for them. You can say, generate an image of a modern office space. Copilot will create visuals right there in your presentations. But here's where it gets even better. Iteration. Your first draft probably won't be perfect, and that's totally fine. You can tell Copilot to make it shorter, add more detail, or change the tone to be more formal or casual. You can get really specific too. Add 3 bullet points there, or turn this slide into a chart. Copilot will keep refining until you're happy with it. The key is to think of Copilot as a collaborative partner. You're the expert of your content, and Copilot is your design and writing assistant. Together, you'll create something great way faster than by doing it yourself.